welcome back. So I think you guys must have enjoyed the starter. I loved eating it, so thank you, chef. You made my day. So now I'm really shocked to see the number of ingredients here, on the table. Tell us what you're making, chef. Is this a marriage party? I mean, I thought we were cooking for these athletes and runners. It should be simple, but wow. Look at this.
Party, but it's a marathon party. So as we know that in a marathon also we have a lot of people running. So this is something that you can prepare easily for a whole lot of friends.
Sure.
But it has a large number of ingredients, but these are all very simple ingredients.
Just before you start, world over, there is something called the pasta party for marathoners, right? So when I told you about the pasta party, why did you actually come out with this dish?
Because this is a better version or a great replacement for the pasta party. It's a great substitute. It's an Indian substitute for the pasta party. I love this dish. People here in the south, they almost love to eat it every day. And I got introduced to it when I came to Bangalore, and it is really wonderful.
Superb. So shall we get started?
So to prepare this dish, as you can see, I need so many things, so many ingredients, so many processes.
Too many ideas,
So I think I will call my sous chef, Shant Kumar.
Sure.
Shant Kumar, please come here. A big hand for Shant Kumar. So Shant Kumar is a chef. He is from Karnataka. Here we have the ingredients for the masala powder, the Shibile-Baat masala powder. And for quantity and the list of ingredients, please refer to the recipe. Okay? And we have the tempering, which gives it a different level of flavor, which is the top layer of the flavor. So we have cashew nuts and mustard seeds, asafoetida.
Correct.
This is wonder ingredient of Indian cooking. And another wonder ingredient, desi ghee.
Ghee, nothing like desi.
Curry leaf, which is a wonderful aromatic flavor when you have that.
Takes it to the next level.
Red chili, I must tell you about this chili. This crinkle chili is the king of one of the best Indian chilies. It's got color, flavor, and less heat. 50% less heat than other chilies.
Wow.
So, but asafoetida is a magic ingredient. It is used as a replacement for garlic. But the way I like to refer to it is like the truffle oil of Indian cooking. Then we have the main ingredients for the main component. So here
the carbs.
The carbs and the vegetables.
Of course.
So what we have here is that we have done brown rice, kodu millet, foxtail millet, and the arahar dal. And we have the different kinds of vegetables which are here.
Sure.
And this is the tamarind pulp, and this is the turmeric powder. So what is here is that in the original recipe of the Shibile-Baat, you do not have these millets. You only have normal rice.
Okay.
Any rice you can use, any Indian rice. So basically, I have made it a little more fancy, and it is actually a little more healthy because of the millets.
Millets, So that was the brief, using local ingredients, local recipe, creating something, a dish which the runners would love. And I think, it looks amazing. So let's get started, chef.
You can soak these millets for overnight, or for 2 hours is enough actually. The rice needs to be soaked for half an hour or 1 hour. And the dal also needs to be soaked for 30 minutes. And the vegetables, what we have done is we have pre-boiled them, parboiled them, some of them. Onion does not need
I think vegetables is something which is your choice, what vegetables to use.
Yes. So what we will do is that we will first need water. Can you get me half a liter of water, please? We will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 tablespoons of tamarind pulp. Add the water, please, half a liter. So to make a tamarind pulp, you buy tamarind from the market and boil it add hot water to it, or boil it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then squeeze it and pass it through a strainer. We'll add the vegetables. Here goes the vegetables. You can see that I'm not frying any of these vegetables.
All boiled?
They're all boiled. So let the water come to a boil, it will be good. We have the peanuts here. Now, this is very local again and very healthy to eat it in a format which is like a boiled. Some potato here. Anything seasonal, vegetables you get. I have taken some aubergine and some tomato. See already how colorful it looks, beautiful. And you know, we can just stir it. We will cover this and allow it to come to a boil. Now we will make the tempering. Let us start with the tempering. For the tempering, as you know, we have the ghee here. Add the curry leaves. We'll keep this aside. We'll allow this to splatter a bit. The aroma of cooking with desi ghee is amazing, and with the addition of spices and ingredients like curry leaf, it becomes heaven. So as a chef in India, you enjoy the cooking process as much as guests enjoy eating the dish. Here we have the mustard seeds. Yeah, that's enough. You can stir it. Yeah, we'll add a couple of these bad ghee chilies. One more we will add, okay? And then we will add some asafoetida, just a little bit. It's very pungent and nutty, so you don't have to add too much. Yeah, make sure it doesn't burn, the asafoetida. So I think we will now add the cashew nut. It looks beautiful, colorful, nutty, flavorful, and with the desi ghee, it's amazing. I wish you could be here and you know, you could get these aromas. We'll add a little bit of salt. We are done. You can set this aside. We'll add one more, 3. Okay. We've added the rice. Now we are adding the foxtail millet. It depends on how many people are eating. The recipe is there for you to refer to whenever you want to, when you are cooking it, for the ingredients and the quantity. And here we have the tur dal, the same dal that we make sambar with. Yeah. So here we go. How amazing this looks. We'll add the bismillah bath powder. We could have added this before adding the rice, but anyway, we didn't spend too much time. You know, maybe a minute later we added, but you could have added this earlier. When you boil the water, we could have added it that time. As everything is almost cooked, we need to just give it 5 more minutes. That's what we need. We'll add the salt to it. Yeah, this should be good. Please stir it properly and cover it and cook it for 5 more minutes. Yeah, it's a beautiful consistency that you can see there. While the bismillah bath is cooking, we will now stir fry the vegetables. The ingredients are all here. The vegetables, among the we have beetroot, carrot, we have drumstick. These are all pre-boiled. So we have cut them and boiled them with salted water. So now we will add the different ingredients for the mustard seeds. Then we have the curry leaves. We'll have the asafoetida. We have the red chili. Then we will add the turmeric powder. And we have the coconut, desiccated coconut or grated fresh coconut. I think we need a little bit more of the ghee. Yeah, that's good. Now we will add the vegetables. The drumstick. The ivy gourds. Don't forget the salt to taste. Yeah, lovely. और इसमें हम डालेंगे cashew nut. We'll cover this up and we will allow it to cook for some time. Since this is a stir fry, it doesn't require too much of water. we'll just cook it under slow flame. So I think they're all done. Beautiful. So perfect consistency, and we will now switch off the flames. Yeah. So we are now ready for plating. It's a pickle. This is a bamboo shoot pickle, which is really exciting. How amazing this looks and smells. Oh, it's unbelievable. My goodness. So we will start the plating process. You can eat as much as you like, whatever you feel is appropriate for you. And I think you will definitely reach out for your second helping whenever you're done. The stir-fried vegetables will go on the top. This is just to make the dish a bit more exciting and healthy and add a different texture, a little bit of flavor. Garnish. Yeah. Doesn't this look amazing? Beautiful. Beautiful. Crunchy to the core, and I'll add some more of this whole cashew nuts. I don't like to leave them aside. So what we will do is that we have some lovely coriander sprigs here. Coriander is the Indian favorite, topping or garnish for any Indian dish that you'd like to add. And now I don't mind adding some desi ghee. It'll melt very quickly and give it that extra burst of flavor. Lovely. So here is the amazing bisi bile baat with stir-fried Indian vegetables or vegetable porridge, and we serve it with the bamboo pickle. So I hope you will make this at home and enjoy it and run a great marathon. Best wishes for a lovely race ahead. Thank you so much.